Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to find MAC address on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi. Click Manage Properties. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi, click Status. Click Details. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.